Okay, your turn, Gabe.
Let me know once we start.
Yeah, we started.
Oh shoot, bet. Oh my bad. So basically today, the 14th of January, I took a $750 dub. Thank God. Yesterday was a $1,000 dub, which took my account out of the slight drawdown we were in, which was good. And with the $750 dub, we are even above what we were before. Regarding the big loss that I took last week, I believe, or on Monday actually. So basically what I was looking at here, I was just on the 1 minute really. I was just waiting to see what we would be doing here, you know? We had a slight fair value gap here, kind of like an IVG type of thing. But I was waiting for this fair value gap right here to get filled and see what we would be doing. We were overall bearish for the day, so if we like started making a huge move to the upside after this right here, because we slightly broke structure where that point of liquidity was, and I was going to be looking for longs for the day. But since we didn't, then we just continued a little bit to the downside. We had this IFVG basically here, kind of. But the thing is, like, the big thing was we invalidated this fair value gap. I mean, we validated this fair value gap, which we slightly broke to the downside, but it doesn't look like we had a full candle closure. Like below this little candle right here. So I was like, okay, I'll just wait for a little bit longer for entering to see where I can actually make some profit. Because we could still have reversed off of this point since we didn't completely break. And then I waited a little bit longer, but then we had this big candle to the downside. Let me try to make this look nicer. My bad. Then we had this big candle to the downside. And so I was like, okay, I'll enter here because it looks like we're going to try to take down the lows that we had for the day. And so I entered here, took a little $750 profit. Well, not little, that's actually quite a lot.
Yeah.
And then we're good. The other setup that formed was right here. I wasn't really considering re-entering just because I'd already taken my trade for the day. But this, Roman was actually in class when I told him to look for shorts. And then he started looking around
Oh
here.
wait, yeah. I need to explain what I saw. Yeah.
Yep. But we had this little fair value gap setup, which some people probably profited off of. A little bit too choppy for me, though.
Yeah.
Other than that, pretty good day. Pretty chill.
That is great.
Literally. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Oh wait,
Which
I need to explain what I saw.
Oh, my bad. I forgot about that.
Let me see even see what I can see what I saw. Let me see. Okay. So this is around 9, it's around 10 or something, around 10:40 was it? I think, or no, what time was it? What did I see? What time did I get out? I'm trying to think. What did I see? What did I see? What did I see? What did I see? Let's see. I don't even know if I saw. Holy chop. Oh, I think I know what I saw. Okay. Okay, yeah. It was in here. It was from 9:40 to 10:31 on the 1 minute. Okay, even though I just said that I don't care about the fair value gaps on the 1 minute, it looked nice. And then it like, so see, fair value gap or a small order block right here. We just tapped this, boom, created a high, broke structure down, could have entered, but by this time, I think around this time, I'd started already packing up my stuff and walking around. I think I went to go get some food from Starbucks and from Dunkin'. So I was in line, couldn't look at the charts. And so by the time I had sat down and finally looked at the charts, it was already like around down here, or it was like right here, I think. And I was like, shoot, I missed it. But yeah, I mean, that would have been great. I mean, if I would have, I mean, I could just scope out what I would have hopefully done. So if I was on the charts, saw this break of structure, I probably would have actually entered too high. So I probably would have entered, I mean, probably would have entered too low, my bad. But yeah, so I probably would have entered here, set my stop up here, then try. I would have probably played it safe though, just closing my stop. I mean, I wish I would have, like, I don't know if I'm that ballsy to put it down here. But I think I probably would have put it down here, probably somewhere right here. Yeah, it would have been a 1-2 trade, or yeah, or 2-1. I don't know. And so yeah, it would have been nice. It would have got me a little bit out of the situation I'm in. Wish I could have taken less time. Where if I would have just went straight to the dining hall, I could have probably got it. But hey, it's fine. Yeah, wish I'd taken that. But yeah, that's the trade I saw, and that's it for today.
Yes, sir. We'll see you guys in the next video.
All right, peace.